Okay, we are going to calculate the volume of a cone. We're going to need input from the user. The user needs to enter the radius and the height. So I'm going to use spin edits to capture those values. First one is for the radius. The second one will be for the height. Okay, let's just put some labels next to them. This one is radius. This label will be for the height. And then we're going to have the button for the processing. We can display the output in a label. Okay, so let's make this calculate volume. Calculate volume. I'm just going to change this to cone, because we are calculating the volume of a cone. Okay, two inputs, so I'm going to capture both. I'm going to use integer variables for that, by radius, and the other one by height. Integer. This is the volume of the cone. Okay, so now we need to capture the input from the user. So I'm going to say I radius is equals to the value in the first spin edit. And I height will be from the second spin. So I height is from spin edit 2.value. The data type of value is integer, so you don't need to do any conversions over there. Now for the formula, okay, you have to create a variable or cone to capture that value. So our cone is going to be a real data type. Our cone is equals to, now for the formula, 1 divided by 3. Need to use pi as well. Here we're going to use I radius times the height. Okay, so we just enter the formula. It will put the value, return the value to our cone, or put it in our cone. And then we're going to display that in the label 3. What do I want to display? I want to display the volume of the cone, or cone. Okay, so this is a real data type. Caption is a string, so we need to convert that from a float to string. I'm also going to use the float to string if function. If is fixed, let's make it 6.1 with 1 decimal position. Okay, so here we are capturing the input. Here we are calculating the volume of the cone with our formula, and the last line we are just displaying it, but we are also making it a format so that it doesn't display with too many decimal values. Let's make it 10 5. Calculated volume 523.6. Because we only have one decimal value. Make it 135. And give you the answer.